If you hate making chains and then having to work a stitch into each chain, here's how to do a chainless foundation using half double crochet. So I have my yarn here and I'm going to start by making a slip knot. Place it on my hook and tighten it up a little bit. And then I'm going to chain 2. There's my 2 chains. Now I'm going to yarn over and then insert into the second chain from the hook. So counting back, that's the first chain and that's the second chain. I'm going to insert my hook there. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through to bring up a loop. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through just that first loop. Now I have 3 loops left. I'm going to yarn over one more time and pull through all 3 loops. And there I've made my first half double crochet. Now turning my work to the side, you'll see this little V, and this is where we're going to insert our hook to make our second half double crochet. So I'm going to yarn over and then insert my hook into that V. I'm going to yarn over again and pull through to bring up a loop. Have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through just that first loop. Now I have 3 loops left. Yarn over and then pull through all 3 loops. And there's my second half double crochet. Going to repeat the steps again for my third half double crochet. So turning my work to the side, there's the V. So I'm going to yarn over and then insert my hook into that V. Yarn over again and pull through to bring up a loop. 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through just that first loop. Yarn over and pull through the last 3 loops. And there's my third half double crochet. Now I'm just going to continue working as many stitches as I need for my base row. And here's my finished row of half double crochet. Here are my stitches from the top and from the front. I hope you guys found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what else you'd like to see in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.